Let me show you that how do you deal with date variable. So here I'm going to explain you that how do you display date variable, how do you use it, how do you create a date in SAS. So for doing all these things, let's just create a small data set so that we can just quickly operate on that. So I'm creating a small data set which has name and date of birth. And if you think of, I'm creating both as character. So 12/01/1978 will come like a just a character variable. So when I'm running it, you got it. But if you think of, this is like as expected, it has come like a character. Now let's go ahead and just see that, if at all we say format DOB date 9, date 9 stands for YYMM, sorry, DD, DD, YYYY, like that's how you get the 9 character. But will it work like just we say DOB1 and we say DOB1 equal to DOB, means like this value and convert that into, actually it will not. Let me just show it to you. So getting the date value, we thought it will work, but actually it hasn't worked perfectly. It has given you something which you cannot believe on, right? So what is the way out? How do you get it? To do that, we will use a very handy function, and always try to use that for date kind of thing, that is called MDY. Keep in mind, M stands for month, D stands for date, Y stands for year, MDY. So it has 3 parameters. So how do you give the M, D and Y in this case? So if you think of the way we had written, this looks like a date, right? I mean, think of 23, otherwise is not possible. So 23 is like date. Then next 2 character looks like month. And then last 4 character is like year. So let's use that. So what I'm doing, I'm using substr dob 32. So when I'm saying 32, obviously what you are doing, you are giving from 3rd character 2 character. So you are giving these 2, right? Then you are giving date, which is obviously the first 2 characters. So dob start 1 position, give 2 character. And then you are saying for this year, start from 5th position, which is correct here, and give me 4 characters, so which is giving you for these 4 characters. Now if at all I do run it like this, just see how it is. It has run. I'm just going to print it so that I can show you very quickly that how this is what we wanted or not. Because it has only few variables, so we can afford to print the whole stuff. So let me just run it. It is going to give me error. So I have the proc print here. See how does it look like. So this was obviously 12th January 1978, and what it is you are getting here. This is like 1st December 1985, which you are getting. Now if you think of why you called it date 9 format, because 2 character for date, 3 character for month, 5, and then another 4 character for year. That's how you call it date 9 dot format, means it will reserve 2 character date, 3 character month, 4 character year. So that's how you are able to display it correctly. Now can you calculate age of the person in years, and that too on a particular date? Which is the particular date? Let's say on 15th September 2015. So what you need to do, first of all, you need to create a date in SAS. We don't need to store it, so we can just create it on the fly. So what I'm doing here, I'm creating a date, MDY 09 means September, 15 means 15th of that is because date, and 2015 that I have given as year. And when I'm saying minus DOB1, obviously you're minus the age. So if you think of, this is one date minus this date, This will give you age in days. So age in days means like how many days has spent from his date of birth. Now to calculate age in years, what I have done, I have taken age in days divided by 365, and I have used round function because I don't want to get decimal values. So I've just used the round function and I'm saying just give me without decimals and it should produce the result. Let me just show it to you. And after running, I want to just print it. So I'm just getting the print also ready so that you can quickly see what it has done, how it has done. So let me just run it. So what it has done, it has taken this date, found out the difference between 15th January, 15th September 2015 minus date of birth. It has given, and then this is age in days. When you divide this by 365, it would have given some number, but you have rounded it. Rounding just gives you, the value which is, like because I have said, just 1. So I'm saying round it as a multiple of 1. So anything like say 38 to 38.49 will get rounded as 38, whereas anything like 38.5 to 38.99 will get rounded as 39. That's how the round function works. So that's how you got the age quickly. Now let's see that how does SAS really stores date. Intrinsically, SAS stores date as a number. So that's why if at all you want to do proc means kind of thing, you can actually do with the date variable. So right now I'm not doing with anything, I'm not putting any variable here. But if you think of this data set, this date 3 data set has age in days, age in year, as well as DOB is a numeric variable, because if at all DOB is stored as numeric variable, it should operate. So when you run proc means, and if you're not putting anything, it runs for all numeric variable. See what it is doing. It should produce for 3. So it has produced for age in days, age in years, which are obviously numeric. But what you need to understand, even DOB1 it has produced. So for it, for SAS intrinsically storing date as number, and that's why it can usually take it and operate and give the means also. So it can give you mean, it can give you maximum, it can give you minimum.